Good morning, students. Hope you all are very fine at home, enjoying and studying also. This is your GK class, and we are going to discuss about one of the seven wonders of the world, and which is in India, which is located in India, and that is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is among one of the seven wonders of the world, and it is located in India. Now we will see the picture of Taj Mahal and I will try to explain you. See, this is Taj Mahal, and this is the one of the wonders of the world, and it is made out of white marble. And it is situated on the bank of Yamuna river. And this which you are seeing now, this is square shaped. Now I will show you the next slide. See, here are some information about the Taj Mahal. Okay, an immense mausoleum of white marble built in Agra, and when it was built, in between 1631 and 1648. By whose order? Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. In the memory of his favorite wife, the Taj Mahal is a jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world heritage. My dear, earlier I have explained you that Shah Jahan was known as a good architect during Mughal Empire, because he have made many beautiful buildings in India. Red Fort is also made by Shah Jahan, Red Fort, Agra Fort, Taj Mahal, and many more buildings are made. That's why he was known as a good architect in the history of India during Mughal Empire. See the picture of Taj Mahal. I have earlier told you that it is located beside the river Yamuna, so on the bank of river Yamuna. So you will see here the shadow of the Taj Mahal is falling on the Yamuna river. Now here are some more information about it. It took 22 years to build and 22,000 workers. And already I have told you that it is located on the bank of river Yamuna, and it's surrounded by 280-meter square garden. The garden which is located surrounded by the building that is surrounded by the garden. Now here are some questions which you have to answer, and this you will write the question answer in your copy. Okay. First is who built the Taj Mahal? And as we have studied in the last slide, that Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. It was built during the Mughal Empire. And when was the Mughal Empire, my dear? It was just before the British rule. There was Mughal came from another country and they were ruling over on our country. See, this is the picture of Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan. Why did Shah Jahan build the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife. There is a story about it, my dear, in our history, that while she was on the bed and she was about to die, the wife of Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan asked her last wish, and she told that when I will die, there is in Mughal religion, means Muslim religion, they build a grave, they bury the dead body. She told that such a building should be made on my grave, that there is no such building in the world. And Shah Jahan fulfilled her last wish, because Taj Mahal is known as it was so beautiful that it is known as one of the wonders of the world. And it is also called the sign of love, because it is also called the sign of love and known as one of the wonders of the world. Now let us see the next question. Oh, this is the picture of Mumtaz Mahal. What is the name of Shah Jahan's wife? Right now I have shown you the picture of Shah Jahan's wife, and her name was Mumtaz Mahal. So in the place of what, you will write Mumtaz Mahal, and rest you will, Mumtaz Mahal is the name of Shah Jahan wives, you will copy from the question and your answer will be complete. Now see the next question. This is the picture of Mumtaz Mahal. Earlier also I have shown. In which city is the Taj Mahal located? And my dear, Taj Mahal is located in, the Taj Mahal is, from here we will write, is located in Agra. You will add, and which state it is Agra? Agra is in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. And it is our neighboring state, just beside Bihar. See the picture of Agra. Here you can see the Taj Mahal also here. Which monument of India is one of the wonders of the world? And right now you have studied that Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders. There are 7 wonders in the world, in which China's wall is also there, one Minar is also there. In that, Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. And people who come to from another country to visit India, they definitely visit this Taj Mahal. See the picture of Taj Mahal. Now thank you, my dear, and you all will write the question answer in very neat and clean handwriting, but before writing you will write HW and date, and what you will give the heading? Taj Mahal. Then you will write answer this question, and then you will write the question and then answer in very neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Be happy. Thank you. Enjoy at home.